Hello, this is Alfredo Rodriguez, and I have two words, absolutely masterful. I was sitting here just going over the slides and, just thinking what these last 2 days meant as the AGM AI Mastermind ended. They said that they was going to supercharge your life. They said that they would teach us how to harness the power of artificial intelligence, transform your business and boost your productivity. Boy, I tell you, this agency just over delivered. They gave us the hope, the vision, the knowledge, the know-how, the wisdom to realistically take a business from scratch. I'm talking about from the bottom, zero, with the possibility of scaling it to $1 million. I don't say this lightly because, you know, it's tough, especially when you're a one-man army. But when you see the power of artificial intelligence and you got folks like Manuel Suarez, the true ninja marketer. You have Jorge Rodriguez, which is half of the dynamic duo. You got Jimmy, which I consider him the tech ninja, and Jules, the whiz. Um, then you got Jarnold and the rest of the AGM team. Not only did they work hard to put something together for us, but I think they put something very, very special. And I know for a fact that I'm not the only one that walked away thinking of the possibilities. But now that you have this wisdom, what do you do? Well, you put it to use. And that's what I have in mind of doing, putting it to use, um, and just take this business of mine to the next level. Guys, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. I'm really, really lost for words. Anybody that knows me knows that's almost impossible. But yeah, I am. You guys just got me just thinking. I'm just going over these slides and wow, I'm just amazed. And thank you. Thank you very, very much. Uh, 18 hours, almost 18 hours. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thank you.